Hello everyone, welcome to another video on a viral math puzzle that 99% people fail to answer correctly. So, here is the puzzle. Take a deep look into the puzzle, and then pause the video to try by yourself. Okay, I have assumed that you have tried. Now, let's go to the step-by-step solution of the puzzle. In the first row, there are 3 insects, each with 5 black dots in the body, and 1 flower in the head. Also, their sum equals 21. So, 1 insect with 5 black dots in the body, and 1 flower in head equals 21 by 3, that is 7 points. In the second row, there are 2 clocks, each directing to 6, and 1 insect with 5 dots and 1 flower that sum up to 19. And we know this equals 7 points. So, 2 clocks directing to 6, plus 7 equals 19. This implies 2 clocks directing to 6 equals 12. So, 1 clock directing to 6 is equal to 6. From this, we can claim that a clock directing to 6 equals 6, so clock directing to x should equal to x. In the third row, there are 1 flower, 1 clock directing to 6, and 1 insect with 5 dots and 1 flower, all add up to 15. So, 1 flower, plus 6, plus 7 equals 15. From further calculation, we get 1 flower is equal to 2 points. Since insect with 5 dots and 1 flower equals 7 points, so 5 dots plus 2 equals 7, and therefore 5 dots equals 5, and hence 1 dot equals 1 point. Finally, in the last line, there are 1 insect with 6 dots and no flower, 2 flowers. Look carefully, one is this and the other is in the back side, and a clock directing to 5. So, the final calculation is as follows. So, the answer is 26. Comment below if you guessed the correct answer earlier. Also subscribe our channel to get more puzzles like this. Thanks for watching.